Hello, English learners. Are you someone who really wants to speak English fluently, but you don't know where to begin? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. That's why in this video, I'm going to help you with a complete, step-by-step plan to learn English from zero. Even if you are just starting today, you can follow this guide and make real progress. We will go through 7 important steps: vocabulary, speaking, grammar, listening, writing, and how to create your own daily practice routine. Each step is simple, effective, and beginner-friendly. If you follow them every day, you will start seeing changes in just a few weeks. And guess what? At the end of the video, I will share a bonus success plan that will help you stay motivated and never give up. So don't skip anything. Ready to start your English journey? Let's go! Step 1. Start with basic English. Step 1 is to start with basic English words and sentences. These are the building blocks of communication. Begin with simple greetings and phrases you use in daily life. For example, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. My name is Sarah. I live in Bangladesh. I am a student. These are simple, but powerful. You should also learn basic vocabulary such as family members, days of the week, numbers, common verbs like go, come, eat, like, want, etc. Use pictures, flashcards, or free apps like Duolingo or Memrise to help you remember. Watch beginner English videos and repeat after the speaker. Your goal is not perfection, it's confidence. Speak slowly, clearly, and practice these simple phrases every day. Just learning and practicing these basics can help you start real conversations. So, don't skip this step. Step 2. Speak from day 1. Step 2 is powerful. Speak from day 1. Yes, don't wait until your English is perfect. Just start speaking with whatever words you know. English is a language, not a subject. It's like riding a bicycle. You have to fall, wobble, and keep going. Speaking helps you build confidence and fluency faster than just reading or memorizing. Here's a simple technique: stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and say, my name is underscore 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 dot. I like tea. I live in underscore 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 dot. I'm learning English. Even if you're alone, talk to yourself in English during the day. For example, when you're cooking, say, I am cutting vegetables. This simple habit can change everything. Remember, don't worry about grammar right now. Focus on using English in real life. Your fluency will improve naturally when you speak every day. No fear. Just speak. Step 3. Build vocabulary every day. Step 3 is to build your vocabulary every day. The more words you know, the more things you can express. Start by learning 5 to 10 new words daily. But don't just memorize them, use them. Make a sentence with each word. Let's say your new word is delicious. You can say, this biryani is delicious. Another word is tired. Say, I'm tired today because I studied a lot. Keep a small notebook or use a note app on your phone. Create your personal word bank. Add new words, their meanings, and an example sentence. Review them every night before sleeping. You can also use free apps like Anki or Quizlet for flashcards. Or write sticky notes and place them on things in your room, like door, mirror, table. This connects English words to real objects. Small steps, big results. Step 4. Understand grammar slowly. Step 4. Understand grammar slowly and naturally. Many learners fear grammar. But here's the truth, you don't need to master all grammar to start speaking. Learn one small rule at a time and use it. That's the key. Start with present simple tense. I go to school. She eats rice. We play football. Then move to past simple. I went to school yesterday. She ate rice. They played football. Next, learn basic grammar points like articles, a, and, the. Prepositions, in, on, at. Pronouns, I, you, he, she, we, they. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Watch grammar videos, take notes, and practice with examples. Most importantly, use what you learn in writing or speaking. You will remember better when you use grammar in real life, not just in a notebook. Step 5. Listen and repeat. Step 5 is listening and repeating. Listening helps you understand how English sounds, and repeating helps you speak like a native. Start with short English videos, cartoons, or easy podcasts. First, listen carefully. Then pause the video and repeat what the speaker says, exactly how they say it. For example, watch a clip that says, "Hi. What are you doing today?" Pause it. Now you say it, "Hi. What are you doing today?" Mimic the speed, tone, and pronunciation. This is called shadowing, and it's one of the best ways to improve your accent and fluency. Watch English videos with subtitles first. Later, try turning them off to challenge your ears. Even if you don't understand 100%, your brain is learning. The more you listen, the faster you improve. Step 6. Practice writing daily, 987 characters. Step 6 is to practice writing every day. Writing improves your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. But don't worry, you don't need to write long essays. Start with small steps. Each day, write 3 to 5 English sentences about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I made tea and studied English. I watched an English video and learned 5 new words. Keep a daily journal in English. You can also write short stories, your future goals, or even messages to imaginary friends. The key is, just write. Don't worry about spelling or grammar being perfect. You can correct it later. The more you write, the more comfortable you'll become with English sentence patterns. Even writing your social media posts in English can help. So pick up a pen, or your phone, and start writing something in English today. Step 7. Make a daily routine. Step 7 is to create a daily English practice routine. Learning English doesn't need 5 hours a day, just 30 to 40 focused minutes is enough if you're consistent. Here's a simple routine you can follow. White heavy checkmark 10 minutes, learn 5 to 10 new words and say sentences with them. White heavy checkmark 10 minutes, watch an English video or listen to a podcast. White heavy checkmark 10 minutes, write a short paragraph or diary entry. White heavy checkmark 5 to 10 minutes, speak out loud or talk to yourself in English. This routine takes only 35 to 40 minutes, but if you follow it every day, you'll see great progress within a month. Set a reminder on your phone. Make it a habit like brushing your teeth. Learning English is like growing a plant. A little water every day is better than too much once a week. So, stay regular, stay relaxed, and let English become a part of your daily life. Bonus success tips. As promised, here are some bonus tips to stay motivated and learn faster. Lightbulb tip 1. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Native speakers also make grammar mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Lightbulb tip 2. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Read English labels, signs, menus, social media posts. Let English be part of your world. Lightbulb tip 3. Talk to yourself in English during the day. For example, I am walking now. I'm cooking lunch. I feel happy today. This builds real fluency. Lightbulb tip 4. Find a speaking partner online. Use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or even Facebook groups for English learners. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. English is not a subject, it's a life skill. Practice it with love, not fear. Final words. So, my friends, now you know exactly how to learn English step by step. From learning simple words to speaking, writing, and building a strong daily routine, this guide gives you everything you need to grow confidently in English. Just remember, right arrow start small. Right arrow be consistent. Right arrow speak every day. Right arrow make mistakes and learn from them. Right arrow practice listening, writing, and grammar together. Direct hit your English won't become perfect in one day, but if you take small steps daily, big results will come. Thank you so much for watching or listening. If you liked this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. I'm learning English step by step. Let's support each other and grow together. See you in the next video. Keep learning, and never give up. Goodbye.